Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Aki Jemfi, and I kindly welcome you to my channel. Hope everything is good. Well, as you guys can see behind me, I'm with my Alfa Romeo Mito. I want to record a short video. I don't want to make it very long. I'm having a little problem with my car starting in the cold. We are in the middle of the winter. It's December, and actually it's today is the 30th of December. I've noticed quite in these days in the morning, my car is very sometimes it doesn't start, or it cranks for a very long time before it starts. The battery, I bought it. Here's the battery. I'm showing you guys. Here's the battery. The battery is, I bought it around 2020. I quite remember it because of the pandemic. I bought it around 2020, so it's almost 5 years. We are getting this the end of the 2024. we are about to get to 2025. It's 5 years. The lifespan of any battery is 5 years, so it has been giving me a headache when it's during the in the afternoon, when the weather is good, when the temperature is very high. The car starts without problem, without cranking for a very long time. But in the morning, when the weather is very cold, it struggles a lot. So now I'm going to I have my multimeter here. We are going to check. It's early in the morning. It's around 9 o'clock. I'm going to use the multimeter to check the voltage. Then we are going to start it up to see how much the voltage is going to drop. I don't have the amp the amp measurement over here. I thought it was getting drained, the battery was getting drained, so I put the multimeter here. I want to check the amps with 10 amps over here. But before checking, now we want to test the voltage of the battery, so we have to pull this here, this red wire. You have to put it over here. Then we put we put it on the volt setting over here. Trying to do it with one hand. Let's see if we can do it. Here is the negative side, negative over here. When we connect this side to the positive, the battery is 1259. Now we are going to go into the car and try to start the car up. Now I'm going to start the car. Yeah, it has dropped significantly to 12.2. Now let's try to start the car up and see. Was able to start. As you guys can see, the car was able to start. I want to see how much it how much it dropped. The voltage drop. I want to see how much the voltage drop. So we are going to do it once again. It doesn't have to drop below 10. And we were somewhere around 9. It dropped to 9 volts and something. I'm going to do it once again. I didn't watch it very well, but guys, every time this time if you listen to how much the engine crank, it cranked for very long time before it start. We are going to do it once again so you can witness how it dropped. Like every time I restart the car, it drops. Like this time was 700 and something. Like the battery is dying. It's something it doesn't have to do, but it's like this how it has been doing these days. It's 9 o'clock. Usually I go to work very early, so in the morning, like the temperature is 3.5. like it's not that extreme, but early in the morning here, the temperature is around -1, -2 like degrees. I stay very close to the mountain, so it's very, very cold. Well guys, I've left the car for about an hour or so. Like half an hour. It's 10:40, and I'm going to start the car back up once again. Let's see how it goes. It was showing before when I brought you guys back up. It was showing 12:30. The battery was at 12:30. Now you can see it's going back up. It's trying to like get back to the voltage of before. I tried to start the car, it couldn't start. Now it's showing like something around 12:14. Very, very low voltage that it can't, like, now it's very visible that it can't start the car. But let's try to start it up. Let's see how much the voltage is going to drop. Was around 7 point something. Now it's 1. Like it's completely dead. So as you guys can see, now we have we are around 11 something. It's climbing back up. The battery can hold the power. It can hold charge. It's 5 years battery, so it's normal. I just have to replace it before it got me stranded somewhere. Here's the negative polarity, the negative wire, the ground wire. We are going to disconnect it by just releasing this this clamp over here. Negative first, you just put it at a place where there is no better Yeah, here might be good. I've just hide it closer to the fuse box. Over here we have to do a little bit of work. We have to this is a 10 millimeter bolt over here. It's a 10 millimeter knot to remove the positive wire. I was tightening it instead of loosening it. Let's see if it does come off. Yeah, there we are. You have to get it out of the way, or else installing the other one is we are going to have a hard time. Oh damn. It seems like we can't get it nowhere. Now over here, I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying to point you over there. Down here we have a 30 millimeter a knot over there. It's this kind of belt. It's a kind of there is a hook over there holding the battery battery frame to the car frame, like holding the battery frame over here, this belt over here. So we have to remove it in order to get the battery out from the car. Now with a 30 millimeter socket, I'm going to undo that hook. Going to remove the hook. I'm removing the knot in order to remove the hook. Hope it doesn't fall down. Here is the knot. Here is the knot over here. Now just we have to remove the hook like this. There it comes off. Put it aside. Now the battery can't come off. Let me raise the handle of the battery up. Yeah, let me get it up. There we are able to remove it from the car. So now I'm going to get myself the new battery. I'm having the new battery right here at the passenger side of the car. I'm having it ready in the car. Let's remove this covers. That's covering the polarities. Let's move it. Here's the old battery. Has this kind of how do you call it? This bed has this cover around it, like I have this bracelet around it, so we are going to put it around just like it was before. Yeah, there we are. You have to tighten it. Now I'm going to try with one hand to place the battery over here. It's not very dirty over here. It's not dirty, or it's like I'm trying to clean it with my hands. I might get a rag. Might be better if you use some like a vacuum cleaner to clean it, but I don't have it. Like I'm lazy. I'm using a rag to just clean the spot, prepare it ready for the new battery. Now I'm going to try to use one hand to it's going to be a struggle. I might need my two hands because this positive wire is getting in my way. Oh my goodness. There we are. Yeah. Well, thanks to my elder brother for helping me out to hold the camera for me. Now I've able to place the battery inside the car. As you guys can see, it's the same as the old one. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this bracket, this hook that's lock at the bottom here first. I'm going to put it. You have to have the battery like very firm to the chassis. You have to just tighten it with my hands a little bit, and now go further with tighten it with the 30mm socket. There we are. Perfect. Now I'm going to get the battery positive. Going to get a positive wire on the new battery. There we are. I should have put like some kind of grease. There's a special grease to prevent the polarity of the battery from not getting like how do you call it, those kind of like rust and all that crap shit. But I don't have the special grease, so I'm going to like do it without. So now I'm going to tie this this bolt, the 10mm bolt over here. I'll super tight it. It has to be tight. If you don't tight it properly, you are going to get a headache like trying to start your car. So make sure it's very tight, not too much like I've done, or else you might break something. Now I'm going to get the negative wire. It is like in my case I have this clamp. I have this a quick release clamp over here. So now I'm just going to clamp it to the negative wire. Now I have the ground of the battery hooked to the car. We are going to do a little bit of testing with I want to see how much voltage this battery will be putting out. Here's the multimeter, as you guys can see. Here's the multimeter, and I'm going to connect. I want to see how much voltage we are getting from this battery. Negative polarity is hooked. Negative is hooked over here. Then the positive, I'm going to place it over here. Now the battery is showing 1250 volts. We are going to go inside the car and see how much we are. I accidentally pressed the a button over here. I'm going to open the car. I'm going to put the go inside and try to start it up. I want to see the voltage, how much is going to drop. Trying to start the car up. I think the multimeter has a very long wire to reach my car, to reach the inside of the car, so don't have to hook it, place it on the door. Let's shut everything off. Let me turn the key to turn on the dashboard. Now I'm going to start the car. Let's see how much it's going to drop. It was around 10 volts. As you guys saw, it was around 10.9 something. If you guys didn't see it, I'm going to turn off the car and redo it. Like we have to see it once again. I've turned the ignition, I've shut that, I've turned the car off. I shut the engine down. Now we are going to restart it again, just to see how much the engine is good, like how much the voltage is going to drop. Is the battery I will get back to 12.47 volts very quick. Now we are going to do it once again. Restart the car. 10.45. Instead, the old battery, every time we shut down the car, we shut down the every time we do a restart, the voltage was dropping. Here it doesn't drop. We are going to do it for the third time, and it will be the last time. I won't do it again. As you guys can see, it's around 14.33 volts. Means the alternator is charging. Like this number switching 32, 33, 32, 33 means the voltage the alternator is charging, and the battery is is charging perfectly without any problem. I'm going to restart it once again. In fact, this time you can see the voltage has increased significantly. Let's do our last restart and wrap the video up. 13.3, 13.33, something like that. At 10.33, 10.33 volts, the voltage drop. It doesn't go beyond 9 volts, as we were having with the old battery. Means this battery is working perfectly fine. It's a new battery. That's it. You have to retire the old battery and continue on for another 5 years with this new battery. Well guys, that's it all. It's a very simple work, unlike we did today. It wasn't something very heavy. It took us a few minutes to switch the battery. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more, and see you next time. Bye.